At Capital, we're the only company in the area that has an actual vacuum truck, and that's important because it provides a lot more power and thorough cleaning. Duct clean is the removal of dust, dirt that's collected in your ductwork for a number of years. A lot of people don't think duct cleaning is important, but it definitely is. It will definitely help improve your air quality, your comfort in your home. It will help improve your efficiency. We'll lay down drop cloths to protect your floors from the vacuum hose. We'll tape off all the vents, and we use the air tool to blow inside the vents and blow all the dust downstairs where the vacuum can suck everything out. We cut 8-inch holes into the ductwork, and that's where we hook the vacuum up to. We run vacuum hose from the truck down to the basement to the ductwork. If you have allergies, if you've noticed you've been having to dust a lot, duct cleaning is very beneficial. And then we'll go in the ductwork with a whipping tool and we'll whip all the dust and suck it back to the vacuum. One major sign of need in the duct clean is if you notice you've been having to change your filter more often than usual. That's a sign that you may have a lot of dirt build up in your ductwork. And we do before and after pictures. And then we patch up all the holes when we're finished. Normal duct cleaning takes about 4 hours, depends on the square footage. The National Duct Cleaning Association actually recommends every 5 years. Also, if you've had any construction done recently, there's usually have a lot of drywall dust collected in your ductwork. That's definitely a good time to have a duct cleaning. People should choose Capital because we're very friendly, professional. We are certified. We are very thorough in our cleanings. Also, we're the only company in the area that has an actual vacuum truck.